रोम रोम भाइयों।
Welcome back to Metro Engineering class live from the USA, California. Khaja Khaj Bheed Metro guys. Metro coach behaving like a simply supported beam guys. Draw the free body diagram of the metro coach and guys find the support reaction using the force balance and momentum balance equation guys. And guys find the shear force and bending moment at various point guys and shear force function and guys momentum function and guys draw the shear force diagram and the bending moment diagram guys. Delhi Metro running on the yellow line having 8 coaches with 4.5 guys and running towards Vishwavidyalaya guys. Next station is AIMS guys. Use double integration method to find the slope and guys deflection at various points.
दिल के भी हीरो हैं।